So welcome to our articulation for Zone of Choice. This is pre-recorded at an earlier time, and you are probably seeing this later, but this is mostly to give all of our 8th grade students in the Zone of Choice, potential legacy VAPA students, an overview of what we have at VAPA. And so when you make your choice, you can make the right choice. And I've said this before, and I'll say it again. Really, the questions about sports, AP classes, honors classes, ADG curriculum, all that, most of the schools will have that. We have honors classes. We have AP classes. Our kids go to college. Our kids go to, to UC Berkeley, to UC San Diego, USC, just like a lot of the other schools. But you have to look at what is different in what we offer. And I think one of the things we offer, in addition to a personal connection with our students and the honors and AP and advanced classes, is a lot of arts classes. So we're going to be going over all of that, plus sports and other opportunities.
Hello, everyone. We are Legacy Visual and Performing Arts. Welcome to VAPA, where we create, unify, inspire, and educate. Before we start, this is our VAPA ambassadors: Mariana Espinosa, Camila Morales, Fernanda Arete, Jasmine Montiel, Gregorio Enriquez, Emilio Mazon, Daniel Mendez, and Dr. Edward Trimbis with special guests. And everyone will get to know, you'll get to know everyone as we go. I think we don't need to do individual introductions, but you're going to say hello to everyone when they come on and they do their slides. So again, welcome to VAPA.
What is the video about?
Oh, that's a good question. I'm glad you asked. So the video is actually a song was written for the school. I wrote the song when we first started doing a lot of our changes about 5 years ago. And the song is called Legacy VAPA. And in the song, you're going to hear all about the school. It's an original song. It's available on Spotify and Pandora and all those streaming platforms, but it tells us about the song. So let's hear it. And
to be sure before you choose if your love for the arts is true, if you see your artistic dreams coming true, pursue your passion with us as legacy arts are true, the place you can become the future you.
So much to say, gotta say it this way. We are spreading the word, we have got to be heard. VAPA's got all you need, got your core and your AP, Academic clubs and leadership too. We got a full sports program too. Marching band,
we got it.
Cheer team,
we got it.
Flag team,
we got it.
Dance team,
we got it.
Color guard,
we got it.
Football, volleyball, basketball too. Cross country, track and field, and SRLA too. And now we have swimming and water polo too. We got all the sports for you, plus At Legacy Visual and Performing Arts High School, we offer all the amenities and opportunities of a large, comprehensive high school with the personalization of a small conservatory-like art school environment with full-time programs in instrumental and vocal music, theater arts, dance, visual, and media arts. Our students do recitals, auditions, job shadows, and internships over their 4 years with us and support our local schools while being supported by a strong network of arts partners and organizations. There are many ways to become a student with us. If you're in the zone of choice for Southgate or Bell, simply mark Legacy VAPA. Or you can get a permit inside the district or out. If you're still not sure, just give us a call at 323-357-7531. Drop by for a tour or go to our website and social media links linked there at www.vapalegacy.com. We will see you at one of the best schools in LA, Legacy Visual and Performing Arts High School.
Legacy VAPA. Legacy Visual and Performing Arts. You got nothing to fear. We know you love it here. At Legacy, we're here for you. At Legacy, we're here for you. We're here for you.
One more star falling from the heavens. It breaks my heart that she won't return. Torn apart, 'cause I know
All right, excellent. How'd you guys like that?
We love it.
Okay, let's go on. Let's see what else we're gonna do today. Here we go.
So we are VAPA. It is a small conservatory-like school with personalized classes, excellent academic college prep program, higher graduation rate than large high schools. We have signature programs such as Leader in Me program and writing for musicals. And we have an emphasis on the arts with our 5 career paths being dance, music, theater arts, visual arts, and media arts. My name's Fernanda, and I'm going to be talking about dance. Here at VAPA, we have our dance team. We also have different performances at the end of each semester. Our dance classes focus a lot on technique and how we can make our dances better. We have a specialized dance teacher here, Mr. Santa Pickett, who really helps us learn new things. And yeah, it's a really cool program.
And one thing I want to add is we actually have a full-time dance teacher. A lot of small schools will have someone that teaches PE halftime and dance halftime, or maybe they'll have one class of dance, or maybe no dance at all, just dance after school. But we have actually a credentialed dance teacher teaching a full schedule of dance all day long. And Fernando, what is this?
So here's one of our, we just had this performance for our homecoming game against Roosevelt, I think. But yeah.
Yeah. Okay, wow, that was awesome. Excellent. Good job. Our dance team are stars of the school. So good job. Fantastic. Music.
Hi, I'm Jasmine. I'm a senior here at Legacy VAPA. We have a wide variety of music classes and performing classes. We have AP Music Theory, Marching Band, Mariachi, and Jazz. All of our performing classes do get to perform at the end of each semester to show what they learn during our Winterfest and Springfest.
And our music classes, they're throughout the day. Mariachi is actually a 0 period class. So you can be in mariachi and lots of other things too.
Here at VAPA, we also have vocal music classes, which include show choir, jazz ensemble, glee club, and a cappella. And we perform in Winterfest, Springfest at the end of every semester, as well as doing competitions at San Diego, Temecula, Burbank, and Riverside, I think. And we also do festivals. next month, we're doing a festival in San Luis Obispo and Cuesta College, and we also have a spring tour. And hopefully this spring tour is at San Francisco.
And Greg, you're a senior. How many years have you been involved in the vocal music program?
I've been involved since my freshman year.
There you go. And you also play in band, right?
Yes, 3 years.
We have a number of kids that they can be doing in multiple things. So we have many that are in lots of things. So thank you, Greg.
We have theater and stage tech and playwriting. In playwriting, students get to write their own plays and perform them and send them to contests. This semester, our musical will be Frozen Junior, and our opening night is planned to be on Thursday, November 18. So if you guys would like to come, you guys are totally welcome.
Lots going on with drama. In addition to our regular theater program, we do have technical theater where students learn about how to do lights, sound, house management, and all that. And our writing for musicals playwriting class is actually one of the few in the country. There are not that many. They write original musicals every year, and we have a showcase for that too.
Here at VAPA, our possible art classes, we have AP studio art, drawing, design, and painting.
And this year we actually have 2 art teachers, right? We added another art teacher. So we had 2 art teachers this year.
Here at VAPA, we also have media art classes, which include video production, television production, filmmaking, and script writing. And at the end of the year, video production, they record our winter and spring fest.
Awesome.
Here at VAPA, we also have all our full A through G courses. We also host a variety of honors and AP classes. Some of these include AP Chemistry, English, whether it's language or literature. We also have AP Studio Art, Music Theory, and World History.
We have many clubs in VAPA. We have the Environmental Club, Anime Club, Feminist Student Union, the Gay Straight Alliance Club, Leader in Me, Link Crew, Peer Tutoring, Game Club, Yana Club, Royal Steppers, and the National Honor Society. And there's probably more that's not listed in the slideshow.
So pretty much anything you want to do, we can start a club if we don't have one.
VAPA also has a variety of other electives. I'm the captain of Academic Decathlon, and there's also yearbook, journalism, entertainment design, sci-fi literature, British literature, and leadership.
How long have you been doing Academic Decathlon, Captain?
Sorry?
How long have you done Acadeca?
3 years. This is my 3rd and final year.
Nice. And a lot of schools do not have Acadeca. For example, at Legacy, both the other 2 schools do not have it, just us. Do we have a sports program at Legacy? That's a question many, many students ask.
And the question is yes. I mean, the answer is yes, we do. We have 21 sports, basketball, baseball, football, tennis, golf, swim team / water polo, volleyball, softball, soccer, and many more.
So we have all those sports, but do they compete? Do they do very well, or do they not do very well?
We did very well. This past spring season, our baseball team and our basketball team both won a championship they're the city champs.
Oh, not just league, like they won the whole city?
Yeah, they won the whole city.
Nice.
Rings and all.
Woohoo! Awesome work.
So we actually have a list of videos. We have zone of choice videos, and I think there's up to 45 now. So if you go to VAPA ZOC videos, bit.ly/VAPA ZOC videos, you can see the videos, and there's tons there. So check that out. We have more information. If you want to find out more about our school, go to vapalegacy.net. bit.ly/VAPA videos, athletics, legacytigers.com. You can learn all about that. This happened already. This was our zone of choice open house, virtual. And we have a lot of things coming up, and we're very excited about our jazz festival at Cuesta College. San Luis Obispo, 4 hours away. We're doing it, leaving at 5 in the morning. We're actually taking students to see Hamilton on November 7th, students and staff. And then we're caroling around the city of Southgate on December 16th. We have home football games coming up against Southeast. Go Tigers. We're waiting for our excellent quarterback who's right in front of you to lead the charge at Southeast. So come out for that. Frozen the Musical, come out for Winterfest, dance and music. And then we would normally have questions, but we're sort of out of time now. Before we do that, I do want to see if there's anything else that our panel here, as we start to wrap it up, has to add. The only thing I would say is I think Legacy VAPA is a really good choice of school. You can choose. I mean, I think all the legacy schools are good. I believe that you probably should choose either international or STEAM or VAPA as a strong choice. But if you want to focus on the arts, you should go to VAPA. If you want you go to college and learn a lot and be prepared for college, go to VAPA. If you want to do something like engineering, don't go to VAPA. We don't have that, but we have a lot of other stuff. So anything else you want to add, our student ambassadors, about maybe promoting why students should choose us to go to school?
I think people should choose our school because we're more accepting than the other schools. We have a very nice and friendly atmosphere because there's little kids here, not a lot. So you know basically everybody.
Excellent. Anything else? Seniors, especially, been here 4 years. Why should a new ninth grader go to our school?
Definitely the same thing that Greg said. It's a very accepting atmosphere, and you make friends that you're most likely going to have for the rest of your life. So really do say choose VAPA.
Excellent. Final thoughts? Anyone else?
Take advantage of all the great opportunities that we have that we offer. There's literally something for everyone. You could be as expressive as you want to be. Step out of your comfort zone. It's fun to be able to make memories and to join something. And also take advantage of taking college courses, right? As a high school student, college classes are free. And that means you will be taking less college courses if you start taking them now. After school, it could be online. So take advantage of all the opportunities. You're only in high school for a limited time. So yes, go Tigers.
Awesome. Thanks a lot. So we're going to say go VAPA on 3, and then we'll wrap it up. Okay, guys, everyone ready? Here we go. Go VAPA. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go VAPA!